Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, we're going to be looking at no-win, no-fee cheekbone injury compensation claims. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to by looking at personal injury compensation amounts if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in an injury to one or both of your cheekbones. So that's personal injury compensation, how much you may be entitled to, and how to claim. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Cheekbone injuries can be extremely painful and can also impact not only your ability to eat and talk, but may also impact a person's mental well-being. If you've been involved in an accident which has caused an injury to one or both of your cheekbones, and the accident was down to the negligence of someone else, you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming compensation for a cheekbone injury? Well, in order to bring a claim for an accident resulting in a cheekbone injury, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims, no-win, no-fee solicitors that has experience in dealing with cheekbone injury claims. The good news for you is that we at legalexpert.co.uk are happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation where we'll talk through your accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by calling our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Whether you'd like to know the average compensation for a soft tissue injury or soft tissue injury compensation amounts, we'll do all we can to assist you. You should bear in mind that the figures that we'll surely be going over in this video represent only a fraction of how much you may receive, as the amounts in the table that we're about to show you are solely the award levels for the injury itself, and they don't include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you may have incurred because of the accident. If you reach out to us, we'll be happy to use our face injury compensation calculator and our soft tissue injury compensation calculator in the UK in order to give you a good idea of just how much may be claimed in total. Following this consultation, we will talk through your cheekbone compensation injury claim with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, but most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as promised, let's take a look at the table for cheekbone injury compensation claim amounts. So in front of us, we have the table for fractures to cheekbone compensation claim amounts, and for serious fractures requiring surgery but with lasting consequences such as paresthesia in the cheeks or the lips or some element of disfigurement, you could expect to receive anything from £8,130 right the way up to £12,580 for simple fractures of the cheekbone, for which some reconstructive surgery is necessary, but from which there is a complete recovery with no or only minimal cosmetic effects. You could expect to receive anything between £3,470 right the way up to £5,130. Then finally, for simple fracture of cheekbone, for which no surgery is required and where a complete recovery is affected, you could expect to receive anything between £1,850 right the way up to £2,390. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.